Don't look at me like that.
Hello guys, good afternoon. I'm here for my another vlog, and today I'm going to discuss about the treats that brought by my friend and classmate from high school. She gave me the Dutz family from Germany, and they give me this all the way from Germany, and I'm going to feed this one to my little tiny Egyptian mouse first because Samsun is asleep right now. So I'm going to open one and hopefully, well, I will not say he will like it or not, but he will. This Egyptian mouse will eat anything, maybe twice. All right, let me see it. Now let me open the pouch right now. Let me see. I think this is individually wrapped, or like a couple of pouches of wet. Oh yes, yeah, that was. This is Purina. This is nice. I feed them a Purina products right now, and this is also another like flavor, and there's more to it. There's another two. The other flavor. This one. Oh my God! I can't read. It's all in German. So, oh my God, this is all in German. Netherlands. There's a little bit of Spain, but still, I can't read a single word. Maybe the gourmet and the Purina. That's all in a la carte. That's all I can read. The store pouch and open in a cool, dry place and cannot be separated. Product of Nestle. Alright. So, obviously this is a tuna. And this one I think is a beef. And this is yellow. This is tuna with, oh, I'm not too sure if that is potato or, yeah, I think it's a potato, not a corn. And then the last one, it's still a tuna. Looks like there's an olive oil on it. I don't mind. But maybe for first, I'm going to give them the tuna with potato because one of my product I feed to them is the one with the potato. So I will set aside this and also this. Oh my God! Thank you so much, Dutch family. Thank you so much. You're the best. All right. Let me just cut it right now. All right. I could hear the small cat. It's already meow me because he saw me holding a scissor and a pouch. It's a go signal for them that they will have a wet food. Anyway, I'm going to cut this. Let's see. Oh, smell good. This is nice. Smell good. Now I could smell a corn on it. Maybe it's a corn, not a potato. Let me just put it in there. Oh my God. Have you seen the head of that? Oh my God. I wish you like German food. This is based on their, German taste. Would you like to taste it now? Oh, my little Egyptian mouse. Now half of it will belongs to your brother. So don't be selfish. Alright, come here. Come. Hello, come. Now the Egyptian mouse is refusing to come. I don't know why. Hello. Hello. We will record your eating. We will record your eating thing. My God. Can you smell it? Can you smell it? Oh my God. You really eat it. Oh my. Oh, there's a lot of fur. Oh my God. You eat so fast. No. Oh my God. Egyptian Mao. Slow down. I wish I could put some hard also on that. No, dry food, mix it with wet food. This week I didn't give them treats because I was busy and out of the house most of the time, so I give them dry foods. And today only I was given a chance, but it is imported all the way from Germany. Oh my gosh. My God, you eat so fast. No, not so fast. Hey, not so fast. Not so fast. Oh my God, that is very. Not just the sauce itself. Try the plates. Try the corn and everything. You just keep the food dry. When he's eating, he doesn't bother. Even if I pinch him. And this one, didn't bother. This guy is an eating machine. Can we clean your ear after this? Alright? Yusuf? Yusuf, you're already full. Can you stop? You need to stop. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. That's enough. Yusuf. You have enough, Yusuf. Wow. Your tongue is really like, oh, I need to slurp all those sauce beside my lips. Blum, blum, blum. You really love it? Huh? It's all the way from Germany. Okay, now it's time for the big guy to eat. This is the big guy. I just woke him up. Though he's so already that I'm feeding the other guy with the gourmet, Purina gourmet. But he's still in a sleeping trance, so he will not move so quickly. But I need to remove this Egyptian now. Hey, 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 hey. Samsun. Samsun the pig. Egyptian now, you're already full. Oh, why you are arcing your... Okay, I'll give you this. This is all the way from Germany for you. But I share it with your brother. Huh? Wow, he loves it. Oh my God, there's a lot of sauce on it. Sorry, just pinch his. Wow. You love it, Samsun? Samsun, you love it? Oh my God. If he's going to eat in the dry foods and then like I make a move, sudden move, he will run away. But this one, no. Even I scratch him, he will not run away because it's so tasty. Look at this. Oh my God, Samsun. You have to finish it. No leftovers, baby. Alright? No leftovers. Wow. That's my Samsun. Baby. They really love a treats every weekend. And that's the only time that they are so happy that once I'm holding both pouch and scissor, they will run away towards me, not run away from me. It's, it's a good thing. Oh, give a slurp to that, side of the plate. Samsun? Pipi. Pipi. You love me, baby? You love me, baby? That's a nice. I think Samsun is fed with the wet food during his younger days because he loves it so much. But for me, since he is old, he's just only like more than 2 years old. But I feed him with dry foods, and with the dry foods, he's already becoming so heavy. That's why I just, you know, I just feed him with the dry foods. Finish it off. I don't want to see any sauce in there. Samsun. Careful. Otherwise, I'm going to wash you. I'm going to put you a shower. You know that. Oh my God. There's some other guy who's get jealous. Look at that. So jealous. Oh. Yeah. I mean, there's everywhere. Ah. Finish it off. Samsun, it's only tuna. Oh my God, I think I saw some corn in your face. Okay, that's... You're not hungry anymore? Would you like me to set it aside? Okay. Now Samsun is finished. Okay, say thank you to the Dutch family. They're the one who gave it to you. Samsun. Oh my God, you're so heavy. Oh my God. Samsun. Say, oh my God, there's some sauce on my face. Samsun, say thanks to the Dutch family, please. Or how about you? You say thank you. You say thank you, or you attack. Oh my God, he's attacking it. Samsun, say thank you to the Dutch family. Huh? Say thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. Samsun. No, baby. No. Baby. Huh? You're finished? Okay. Alright. Thank you is finished. Okay. Alright, you finish that one. Alright, wait, I'm making all the trash that you scattered. Oh my goodness. Can you finish it off? Please, my Egyptian mouth. Sorry. Alright, this Egyptian mouth we're going to clean up. And he's become bigger and bigger. The last time that I visited him, oh my God, he's only like half of it. Now he's already like 2 times the size, and he's very huge. But still, I can carry him. Unlike Samsun, if you're going to carry it, oh, you're going to put him down after like 20 minutes. It's so heavy. Maybe Samsun is already more than 9 kg. Maybe he's already 10. So it's almost like a hand carry luggage. What's up? Finish it off. Okay, you finish it, baby. Hmm? And nobody's bothering you. Come on, come on. Finish it. Do the finish. Do the finish. Yes. Yes, yes. At least you know how to eat it. Samsun doesn't know how to eat solid foods that way. Do the finish, baby. Do the finish. Come on. Yes. More. Yeah, finish it off. No need to wash the plate. That's nice. That's very nice. Eat it. It's all sauce. My goodness. Don't waste that one. That is all the way from Germany. You cannot taste that one after finishing off the pouch. Alright. Finish. There's some, look at this. There's some sauce on the side. Oh God, you're really an Egyptian mom. You're so hard-headed and yet still adorable. Huh? My Egyptian mom. You eat it. You usually finish everything. Oh my God. The fur of Samsun is everywhere. Huh? Huh? What? Why? Why you don't have strength? You're supposed to have strength because you just eat. Huh? Huh? Wait, my goodness. Okay, you go. You go. Have a drink. Go. Go. Have a drink. Come on. Oh, Samsun. Samsun. Oh, gosh. They still leave some sauce on it. But anyway, guys, that's all for today. Hope you enjoy watching the treats that's coming from Germany. And thank you again, the Dutz family.